Luca hello Big King ជំនុំនេះជាជំនុំដណ្ដើមលេខ1 Regular Season សប្តាហ៍ទី1របស់ Yeri Kimono ស្វាគមន៍ជាមួយនឹងជំនុំគូទី3 Game ទី1ជា Galaxy Legend បានជាមួយនឹង Team Max
បាទជឿយើងបានឃើញដែរជាមួយនឹង Team យ៉ាទាំងពីរដែលកំពុងតែខ្លាំងមែនទែន
Killing Spree ចយ
អូលេ
ចយអត់លេងថែមរងរែងទេ
No ខ្ញុំចង់ឃើញស៊ូយូដែរលេងទេ
3 2 1 Killing Spree ចយ
Killing Spree
អាយ៉ាឡើងឈាមមានការជួយជាមួយនឹងបានទេឃើញទេ Cypher យកឈូមិនឲ្យ Cadenza ឈ្នះ map គេចង់ទៅយក map ខាងក្រោយខ្ញុំឈរមុនការឈររបស់ Cadenza បាញ់មាននេះបូក damage reduction ទៅលើ buff 15% ធ្វើឲ្យការ Viber របស់ចោ head យូរជាងមុន4វិនាទី
ប៉ុន្តែអ្វីដែលសំខាន់Cypher គាត់បានផោកឈាមទៅលើ Cadenza ទៀតទេ
បាទចាំមក play នេះខ្ញុំមកជាមួយនឹង Infinity ជា sponsor របស់យើងនេះយ៉ាតាម flow មកឃើញ Cypher មិនឲ្យមានការ farm free នោះទេព្រាបវាយរងនឹងអាប់ទាត់វាយទៅលើ lead ចង់ចូលទៅដល់ខ្ញុំចង់ farm free មិនដែរទេមិនណាធ្វើបាននោះទេអូ my g
ត្រូវឲ្យចាយ retreat ចោលយកមក
emដងទៀតបានបងនិយាយមែនណាមិនបានមើល em មិន
បានមើល
អូយទៅដល់បានយាយ Romer ទាំងពីរនេះគឺអាចឈ្នះ flow farm នោះទេCadenzaអាច pick ចោ head របស់គាត់ប៉ុន្តែមិនអាចgame ឈ្នះគាត់នោះទេ
បាទឥឡូវបើយើងមើល flow របស់ហាង Team Max គាត់ក៏លេងលឿនណាបាទអ្វីដែលសំខាន់សម្រាប់ Cypher ទៀតណា
បាទឥឡូវមិញតាមតន់លឿនបានបន្តៃណែងបើទៅលើសាក់ស្រួលដូចគ្នាមិញបងតាមតន់ប៉ុណ្ណឹងនៅធ្វើមកក្រានលឿនបានបងមួយដល់តែមិនតន់នោះទេតែបែរទៅពីកាប់បៃតងក៏មិនដល់ទីខ្ញុំណយ
សឡុយទេអត់ទេអត់ flick ណាឈូវិញអត់ flick ណាបាទ
វ៉ាវ festival អត់ដែរស្រាប់ឡាយបាទ
ចឹងនេះសំខាន់ណាស់មិញអាដាប់ជាអតស៊ីសាឡានថាធម្មតាតែបើពេលវាអត់ទេអត់ស៊ីសាឡានថាយកមក
អូចយ
អត់ទេហ្នឹងឯងចយ
មានការដងអាប់លូតជន់មកបន្តទៀតនេះគ្នាវាយផ្ទុះ3តង់កបោជាមួយនឹងអេមីញ៉ូប៉ុន្តែគេតែក៏មិននេះគ្នាអត់ខុសធម្មតា
No ព្រាបទៅថតទី1ហ្នឹងត្រូវតែឲ្យទីម៉ែកឯងទី1សាក់ដូឡូឈាមទី2អត់តមាន level 4 King Harry level 4ហើយ
ទី1ជន់មកឡើងឈាមមកវិញនេះបាទមកវាវិញមកបាយជាមួយអេមីញ៉ូស្ដល់មួយផាច់បាំងស្ដោយបានអូសាឈាមណៃប្រែកណាវាយនេះគ្នាតែងណែងយកជាមួយនឹង2មកដល់គ្លីតែកណ្ដាលសាបានដល់ថយពេលវេលាថតចូលទៅកាន់សាស៊ូមកដល់កាប់ទៅសាស៊ូជាមួយនឹងបលលីតាលីនដល់ថយមានការបាយលុយជាមួយនឹងបាយតងវាមាន distribution ទេមិនមាន distribution ទេព្រាបលួចជាមួយនឹងបាយតងបានមួយនេះគ្នាសัตว์ព្រៃ5ស្មើ
មិញបើសិនជាលេនគាត់ retreat បានទៀតណា perfect ហ្មងនិយាយមែនណាមិញ perfect ហ្មង
បាទលួចសัตว์ព្រៃបានមួយទៀតណាពិសាស៊ូបងឥឡូវភ្លាមតំណែងអ្នក farm លឿនមិញខ្ញុំអត់នៅតែឲ្យទៅលើលីនឥឡូវមកសាស៊ូវិញទៀតសាស៊ូលេងបានបៃតងទៀតមិញ
បៃតងអាសัตว์ពីរ
បាទ
មិញគាត់យកទៅថតឲ្យវាបឹបយកបាន
ពីរមួយថ្មយកបានទាំងពីរ
ហ្នឹង
បាទ
ចង្កេះរៀងរាវមិញ
បាទទៅនិយាយយ៉ាងមិញដល់សារថា
បងអាទីគេលោតឲ្យលងចូលផំចូល purify ដាក់លេខលងពីកណ្ដាលសាចូលលេខនឹងផ្ទះខ្ញុំមកដល់មុខផ្ទះឲ្យអឹមអៀនឯទៀត
ធ្វើអៀនឡក់ធ្វើអីព្រាបគេបានឃើញដែរហ្គេមទៅទៀត
តាមជើងញ៉ាច់ដែរមានជាមួយនឹងតួនោះទេញ៉ោជាមួយនឹង midland ទៅលើ IQ
និយាយមែនណាឈូរបស់ Cypher នេះកន្លុកណាអាណយខ្លាំងបង
ណាមួយសាចូល head នេះរៀបចាញ់ទៅលើឈូដែរចឹងតើដើរស្រួលឈូទាត់បាត់សំបីតែអរូរ៉េផងអាយគីក៏ពិបាកនៅក្នុងការ rotation
ជើងណាប់ខុសបាទជាមួយនឹងស៊ីងតែងតែធានតាមដីខ្ញុំមកជាមួយនឹងលេន
បាទដល់សារតែមិញឃើញគេ3ម៉ូតូអីបាទ3ម៉ូតូគ្នាពីរនេះ
Killing Spree សម្រាប់លេនម្នាក់អត់ដឹងគឺ Killing Spree ឥឡូវគេមានការ buff ដែលមានន័យថាបើយើង white hero ឈាមក្រោម 30% វានឹងលោតឲ្យយើងបានឡើង 15% XP loss និង 12% movement speed ក្នុងរយៈពេល3វិនាទីហើយបើក្នុងប្រហែលវិនាទីហ្នឹងយើង white hero នឹងដាច់emblem ហ្នឹងវានឹង reset ដូចផាច់ចាស់អញ្ចឹងតែគាត់ផាច់ចាស់ត white ដាច់មិនបាន revert វាឥឡូវបានដាច់ក៏បានដែរចូលដល់ up បើជាមួយ immune នោះ
អូយ Cypher ញ៉ោះណា
បាទ
ញ៉ោះខ្លាំងហ្មងឈូញ៉ោះណា
មេរៀនមួយនេះខ្ញុំគិតថាបើ Galaxy Legend ចង់ឈ្នះ flow farm របស់ Cypher លើក្រោយក៏ត្រូវតែ ban ជាមួយនឹងឈូហើយ first pick ចូល head ដដែលតែប្រយោជន៍នេះគេសងកណ្ដោមួយ
ចាំមានអីហ្គេមមួយហ្នឹងCypher គាត់សប្បាយលេងអត់បបា hero ទៅចាប់គាត់
ទោះបីជា ban ឈូ first pick ចូល head ក៏នៅសងកណ្ដោមួយទៀត hero បាក់មែនរបស់ Cypher ដែលដើម្បីនឹងធំមែនតើនៅ ANC បាទចាំព្រាបគឺជាមួយនឹងចំនួននៅក្នុងការឆៃ map គ្នាតសារទៅកាន់ Romer ទាំងពីរ game មិនមានការលំអៀងនោះទេប៉ុន្តែ flow farm របស់សាក់ស៊ូកំពុងតែជា flow farm មួយដែលចាំកន្លែងនៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាធ្វើការមើលហើយមើលទៀតដល់នៅក្លេពី Cypher មកជើងបងក្រោយជាមួយនឹងបាស៊ីជីវិត2បងតែជាមួយនឹង IQ តែជាមួយការបាយជាមួយនឹងជួយលោតទៅលោតមកយកជាមួយនឹងឈាមណាពេលរបស់វាយគីតមានទី3នៅទី1នៅពីគី กี้ดัดอัตุยลิงซาซูคือจีเนียโยกับใบตองแต่กับกับติ๊กอาจจะหุยนั่นแต่ไม่ได้ท่าทอลปีโต้นโซนมาตลอดทีมแม่ชิมันปีท่าทอล
ว้าวทีมแม่กระโปรงตะลาได้ข้ามมาได้เปลี่ยนก็ยังเคยเนี่ยมาทีมไฟอึ้งเตยตีนะเตยตีนะ
อะไรไวคะแนนเป็นจังหวะชิมันได้ชิมันการนับต่อไปชิมันมีเชลิกมันปงอาร์ตีไวโซเกโรมาคาเดนซ่าออกการสมบูรณ์ทางเลยชิมันการไวมวยสมาร์ทกินตาได้ดิมันได้ชิมันการกระดามใจชิมันฟลิกต่อถอยตอนเปเปลี่ยน
เอ้ย
เปิดซ้ายมา
เมียรำหน้าเลยป้าจะมาหนักแกปงไว้ที่ไมค์อัลโจล
บ่เจอเยอะก็มาเพลย์ในเกมของนายปีเซอร์คาร์บอลเยอะชิมเดอร์กันจบนายนวมเนี่ยเราเนี่ยคือเล่นโมบายฉันคือสปูนแง่งโยนอะไรมันเอาบ่จุ่มนายเติมแต่มวยดอลลาร์กันละสำหรับมวยต้นเนี่ยเราให้หนังเล่นโมบายฉันดักกองเช้าโยนดำดาวให้ตัวบ้านชิมเดอร์ได้มันเด็ด
50มวยเปิดต้องเปียไว้ในบอลเซนตองใหญ่เอาว่าโจมาชมนะงงมาฟลอฟาร์มเธอโมแคลุยมาแต่ไปต้องมวยนะกดอ่ะแล้วกินลุยไปเนี่ยโจเพียมสัตว์ไผ่เนี่ย
นั่งไง
สะสูลุยพายเพียมสัตว์ไผ่ให้
อันนี้นายมวยแม่รำท่าชูไซเฟอร์สวนเล่งไปแม่นะสวนเล่งไป
เดี๋ยวได้จอแฮดวิมินเดี๋ยวไม่ช่วยสัตว์ไผ่แต่ชูวิมินมองไปเดี๋ยวที่ผู้เชี่ยวจอแฮด
ตีมวยตีปีกเดี๋ยวไม่นักเอาลีกเกมเวชื่อไป
แม่คะแนนสาคือขอแม่รบบอสไซเฟอร์ครบวินาที
อะไรจังการ
ตีเมาเล่งบางแม่บุญหมู
เกมนี้มาสันจิโจเฮดจังบอกเก๋ปะแปะตายมาชูจังตัวเก๋สรุป
บ้า
ตีมวยมาเซ่โจดาวไหลโซดาโจดาวไหลโจดาวตีไหลฟลิกเกอร์ไทม์มาต้องเดียดตีปีโซดาตัวบีโมดาวแล้วตัวบีโมมันบีโมชู
ช่วยไฟให้ก่อนนะก็ปีลูกางแม่ในลูกางนี่ก่อนมันก็ปีจอแฮดอะไรมาลูตาเวลาที่นั่งก่อนอย่างเยอะไอ้มาดึกเนี่ยมาไหนเรียบพร้อมเลยอเมริกาจบเรียบได้เป็นคนนะเนาะอเมริกาต้นนะแกได้คิดว่ามีช็อตเขานะกำไว้จะเจี๊ยมวย
เชียว
มา
แต่ไปยังไม่ตะเลิกโก้เขาคนนี้ทำมาพอนปาโรยเตะวิกกี้ก็อัดเซอร์จีจังโก้ประมาณได้แบบตะเลิกหลายอยู่
โอ้ยจังโก้เลย
อัดจังโก้ยังไงเนาะมีทีมนั้นลิดดับโก้แล้วแถมใครเนี่ยอัดเมียนมอง
อัดเมียนเนี่ย
อัดเมียนมีน้ำแค่พี่แค่มาแค่
ไปเตอร์ไวมา
โอ้ไวเตอร์ไวมาแบบสมาร์ทได้ขึ้นเลย
พอถึงปีสปอนมาด้วยกันพวกนายเอาไว้ได้สำคัญแกขอแต่เฟลมิสเทคอันติ๊กนะเออร์ลี่นะ
ป่าจับเชือกในตามบอลไว้เทเลบอลเทเมร์บอลปีมอลเดคิสนะมาพ้นจับมาใช้มันยังครั้งเลยจบเรียกยาวเทเลบิก
กี้
ไซเฟอร์เนี่ยตัวไซเฟอร์ตัว
ช่องอย่างนี้แกนั่นก็เล็บชูนไฟนะ
ยังมาเจอเล็บชูนไฟเรียบเท่ากันไปชิมันทอที่ขโมยนายจอยเคลียร์ชิมันมิแลนด์เคยแม่ระบอลินมาได้แต่ซาซูในชาวไฟมาต่อที่ที่ขโมยนายเคลียร์คนครั้งเลยออนมิชิมันโรมันได้กระไรเจอแทนเจ้าเมาบวนตัวนัสมาช่วยรีตรีโดยซาซูลินรีตรีบ้านได้ปูดิไปเทเลบอลเทเมร์บอลคาเดซ่าเปียกระดาษชาโดพียิมเปิดเลี้ยได้ใช้วันนี้ขโมยนายชิมันก้าวไปในตามเจ้าชาวไฟพรามเตยจีนกำจีมากันได้บอกไว้กบชิมันนาตีวิกกี้มาชิมันวิกกี้มาได้ลินกับปูแต่ลุยชิมันบากันหอมแต่คดีระบบกวนตาจอดต่อไปเนี่ยเกซี่บาเขาเชียร์มาวันนี้ขึ้นมาได้ไม่ระบายชิมันเต้ระแต่เชิงซาตบคอตื้อเกจ่าชิมันฟลิกแต่เทเลสมอในตาใบสายฟ้าซาโลเกียนแต่เลยไอ้กี้โอ้ไม่เจ
โอ้ my god ไซเฟอร์จุบริกาเอาตัวหายตนแต่ไว้ในสำคัญไอตีคือก้อนเมตักพาเซลเมตักฟลิกอารูโยโมไม่เจียเอาไว้ได้สำคัญคือยามันเคยในในวงในแต่ซ้ำมันก้อนเล็งลวดเนี่ยสมมติสะสูตายลวดเอาไม่ได้
ข้ามนี่เดาเหมือนยงสเกียร์เดาเลยบ้าเรียบชิมันกาไว้ล้างชิมันเอมิโยนออนไอซีคิงอาริสมาโนเต้
โอ้ยคิงอาริเลยล้างได้นะเฉิดบ้าว่าเยโรได้อันอย่างบ้านะ
ไล่ประโมตี้
แล้วล้างไตโยมล้างไตมันท้องโยมอ่ะ
ประโมตี้แต่สมนำเรียงตั้งไปสอบผู้กันนะช่างขบวนมาแล้วเล่นข้างล่างเตี้ยสไลด์ชนะ
น้องไปสะจบมวย
ชาเปลี่ยนเอาอีโมจิ4-0มวยเป็นทีมแม็กออดฟันหาเรื่องแกชมันการไวเคลียร์ได้ขึ้นมาได้ก็ปีชมันสกิลมาได้ขึ้นมาได้ชมันวอเตอร์เมนในการก็ปีตลอดเราละปีมาเดอะกี้น้องอัพตัวอามิชมันตอฟลีเต้เกซ่าชมันปลายกลางกันได้ชิมไปเลย
โอ้เกรี่
ด่าชมันการจบเกรี่มาเดินน้องไปชมันสไปลองไปหมดปีไปบุญเคร่งเกรี่วิกกี้เฮียนเมียนบอมทีมไฟที่ขึ้นมาได้มันได้จริงเลยเกรี่ได้จังยัง
ไอ้จีเชิญนะบ้า
เจอยังไงแทมิงนะ
ให้เอาไปได้สำคัญแย่คือกดมันต้องแพ้กันแล้วนั่นคือกดไว้โยบพาเซลอาสกินมวยไว้โจปีได้เฮาเองเลยก่อนแพ้กันแล้วมั้งคือยึดเราจากเคยไงชดนั่งเด็กน้อยแบบ
เลือดจะมันมาก่อนตัดก่อมาได้เมอร์สเตอร์ตามตอนจะมันหนึ่งลินโอ้มาชีคลีนสปรีมันมาไปเจอสมาร์ทเพียบไอ้นั่นเองคือเศร้างานจะตายมาดอง
ให้เอาไปได้สำคัญชดนั่งคือยังเคยไอ้ซัพพอร์ตเทิมดองเดี๋ยวถ้าไปเป็นพาเซลแพ้กันแล้วชูสกินปีฟลิกก็ตีกันมาขอยแต่ในออฟเทอร์การฟลิกโยม
บางสเปรย์ร้องไว้ดาวปอมยัง
หนโจด้วยสำคัญหนโจเอาตีบอลตีโมด้วยนะ
ដល់ prediction ទេបាទយ៉ាងលេងឯង prediction យើងមកពីផ្ទះទេអាឃើញភ្លាមគេ surprise គ្នាខ្លាំងណាស់អ្នកនរគ្នាបាទអញ្ចឹងមិនហ្នឹងគេ say prediction ខ្ញុំនឹងគឺត្រូវហើយបាទ
wow អូយអត់លេងសើចណាទីមេខ្លាំងណាស់ណាបាទ Cypher ណយឈូគាត់គាត់ថានិយាយមកមកជើងគាត់ទាត់មកគុណភាពយកមក
ម៉ែឥឡូវជាក្រុមដែលគេកំពុងតែខ្លាចខ្លាំងមែនតើពីព្រោះថា roster ខ្មែរសុទ្ធសម្បីតែ IESL លើកមុនលេខ2វាយ 2-3 ជាមួយនឹង CFU Gaming
ហ្នឹង
បាទ
អូឈួរណយខ្លាំងណាស់ទាំងបើក map ទាំង pick up kill អឺ
បាទដូចនិយាយយ៉ាងចោហេតវាបានជួយលបឿន farm ប៉ុន្តែឈូវា mobility គូជាចឹងចាញ់ map វិញបាទរំថត់ជាមួយនឹង first pick ចោហេតយ៉ាងណាវិញជាមួយនឹងការយកទៅលើប៉ននេះខ្លួនឯងមានបដល់ទៅ3ត្រូវ lot ក្បាលមកដល់នេះខ្លួនឯងរំធាក់ជើងនៅមកដល់នៅក្នុងពេលមក play ទៀតនេះគ្នាចាំមើលនឹងទៅជីយ៉ាងណាជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានរបស់ King Ari ក៏ពីជាមួយនឹងចោហេត Bimo ចង់មេជាមួយនឹង play តើមេ play បានដែរទេបើគ្មានជាមួយនឹង spare flick ផង Bimo and Cypher បងវាយមកដៃពីរដៃនេះខ្លួនឯងដាក់ចូលដល់មួយប៉ាំងធ្វើការវាយជាមួយនឹង form ធម្មតាដកថយមកវិញនេះគ្នា form mid lane តុប mid ផងតុបទៅលើកាប់ mid ដៃវាយម្នាក់ជើងចូលជាទៀនមកខាងក្រោយមួយជើងបាក់ក្រោយនេះជាមួយនឹង Kadenza ចាប់កចូលបាយនៅខាងកណ្ដុងតែនេះមិនមកគ្រប់ជាមួយនឹងសាទូទៅមកគេនេះជាមួយនឹងការដេកតាមបាយជាមួយនឹងការចាប់ទៅជាមួយនឹង Shadow ដេកតាមបាយជាមួយនឹង Mid Lane បាននិយាយព្រាបប្រកេតកាន់ Wiki វាយ mid អូប៉មមានចោហេតអរេសៀលត្រេតអត់មានចោហេតបើមានចោហេតវាបោះមីនីអត់ទូសៀលនឹងចោលបាត់ហើយអត់មានចោហេតតែនៅសោសៀលតែអាចវាយទៀតបានដែរទេព្រាបមីនីក៏ respond Hero ក៏ចេះ respond សាជូនសៀប៉ាងទៅខាងក្រោយទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើវាយទៀតបាយ
មកជីមកធីមវាយជាមួយនឹងការយកបាល់ត្រីពគាពី Wiki ព្រាមហ្គោចាប់ដើមទាញឡើងមកបដាវិញតែគ្នាបងដែរជាមួយនឹងការបង្កើត mistake ជាមួយនឹងការបាក់ ultimate ពី King Ari គាត់គិតថាកន្លែងនេះបើគាត់ទាញគេស្ពលមកបោកដើម្បីវាយឲ្យដាច់ប៉ុន្តែវាយអត់ដាច់ទេខ្មុលមកនឹងទាញខ្មុលមកប៉ុន្តែដោយសារតែមេគេច្រើនដែរបាទចាំរៀមសម្រួលអារម្មណ៍មកវិញដូចគ្នាបន្ទាប់ពីលិចគេមិញបាក់ឡើងចិត្ត 2k ឥឡូវសល់ 1k
ចិត្ត 2k ណា
កន្លែង mid lane មិញ
5k មិនដូចត្រង់
បាទមួយវាយទៅលើ Cypher ចាប់កបោកវាយជាមួយ Cypher ទៅគេ4ទៅនឹង5 Wiki វិញណាចាំឲ្យ1ទៅ2 1ទៅ3វាយទៅដល់ជួយនឹងរបស់ Wiki មេហ្គាគៀគប់យកវាយជាមួយ Spider តាមវិញមិនជួយការវាយនេះខ្លួនទៅលើរបស់ Kerry បាទជាមួយ Kerry បន្តទីនេះខ្លួន Milan ក្រោយជាមួយនឹង Lin ក៏បន្តនោះទេវាយ lot ឬក៏បោកកណ្ដាចាប់ទៅដល់មិនได้ទៅក្រោយសាស៊ូមិនได้យកជាមួយនឹង Lin បាននោះទេជាប់ជើងជាប់កាន់ជាប់កជាប់យ៉ាងជាមួយនឹងការវាយពីប្រធានសន្តិភាពជើងរត់ដល់ Last Man standing នៅតាម Bimo តែ Cypher respond 3 វិនាទីអាទីណាជើងបានចង់ខ្លួនមានការបោកជាមួយនឹងខាងក្រោមបាយជាមួយទៀតបាយបាយទៀតនេះខ្លួនឯងទៀតក៏ Wiki ដកថយមកសិននេះខ្លួនឯង Cypher នៅលេងមួយលើដៃក្រែងទៅពេលដល់ 7 វិនាទី respawn
ពីទីវាយដែល Wiki ជាមួយនឹងការ make play ជុច win ផងអីផងឡៃធម្មតាខ្លាចអា hero ណាដែលគៀគាត់ពិបាកបាញ់ skill អញ្ចឹងមិញ Wiki ចុចតាំង win នៅឈើក៏ឈប់បាញ់យកមកបាទលុយចាប់ដើមច្រើនក៏លេងទៅមើល lot អញចូលដល់ហើយទេ Cypher បើក map ដូចគ្នាតែជាកាមេរ៉ាសមត្ថភាព
ពី Shadow ទាន់មកជើងប៉ាង Shadow អត់មានបោកវាយទេបោះជួយពី Kadenza នេះខ្លួនឯងកាប់បៃតងបោះជាមួយអាទីតាលិនយកជាមួយនឹង lot ខាងក្នុង Cypher ស្ញៀមដៃដើមខ້ອຍសុចិត្តដៃយកតាមដល់តែ Wiki ចាយភ្លេចចាយ lot ជាជាមួយការទូជាមួយការវាយសត្វវាយយឺត Wiki ដៃលឿនយកទៅមែនតើ
បាទសមម្ដាយលិនអូមីនៀនកដោមីនៀនកៅមកដូចគ្នាលេខទៅមើល lot ចេញនៅផ្លូវខាងក្រោមនោះទេដោយសារផ្លូវខាងក្រោមដាច់ដូចគ្នា
បាទយ៉ាងណាវិញ lot បន្ទាប់គឺជា lot ដែលចេញផ្លូវលើចឹងបើសិនជាពួកគាត់អាចបុកជាមួយនឹងអូមែនផ្លូវក្រោមដៃបាត់ហើយចឹង lot ក្រោយក៏បាក់តបដែរក្ប៊ីព្រោះដោយសារតែទី1ចមាន mobility ខ្ពស់ទៅភូស្ទះទី2គឺ lot ដែលចេញបន្ទាប់គឺលើចឹងមានក្រោម roll អ្នកដែលតបក្រោមអាចនឹងមកលើអត់តន់នោះទេបាទ
តែបើសិនជា mistake ដូចមិញទៀត make play ទៀតអាចនឹងអែនបានណា
បាទ Game Chat នៅក្នុងកណ្ដាប់ដៃរបស់ Galaxy Legend យ៉ាងណាវិញមាននៅតែបន្តបោកជាច្រើនខ្លួនដែរឡើង level ចាប់បាញ់ឆាវវាយយកជាមួយនឹងមីនៀនធ្វើការកោជាមួយនឹងប៉ុនមីនតែណៃចូលគេជាមួយនឹងលីតលើសាឡូគេបានដែរទេតែភ្លាមគឺជាមួយនឹងការវាយបន្តទៀតនេះខ្លួនជាមួយនឹង Hero ទៅជាមួយនឹងដល់ផ្ទះមានការផ្លោវាយទៀតដែរទេជួនកាលសងទៅសមតែគណៈពេលអាយគីចាប់បាល់ទីតាមដងទៅជំនាញជាប់ណាគេនេះខ្លួនគណៈពេលផ្ទះវាយ5ដៃជើងរាយកមកបងយកតាមដល់ជាមួយនឹងការវាយបន្តទៀតនេះខ្លួនជ័យជំនះគឺបានទៅ